Hello everyone. In our previous video we have discussed about Google Webmaster Tool. Now in this video we will be discussing about Google Analytics. Both these tools are freely provided by Google for your website. Okay, to analyze better, to see how your website is performing, and to track your traffic details. Then if there are any errors in Google indexing, and to check out your backlinks and queries and the keywords. There are many things that we can do using these two tools. Okay, we have seen how to set up Webmaster Tool. Now let's see how to set up or activate Google Analytics for your website. Okay, before that, these two tools have many similarities. And of course they have some distinction as well. Now let's see how to set up Google Analytics. Just type analytics. Okay, you'll see the first result, google.com/analytics. Now it will ask you to sign in with your Gmail ID. Then initially it will ask you to sign up, okay, for a website. So let me sign up first. And now it is asking me to put the details of my website. Now let's fill the details. Okay, account name, you can write any name. My account. Okay, then your website name, you can write your website's name, and you can put your URL. Okay, so for my previous example in Webmaster Tool is this one, like the simple blogspot that I created. So here my example is the name of my website. Okay, now industry, you can select anyone. Okay, so right now this is my example. This is not, there's no proper content, so I can let me just select any. Then select your country. Okay, then there are other options. You either you want to check or uncheck, it's up to you. Now once I click this get tracking ID, then Google will give me a unique code, okay, analytics code, which I need to implement, which I need to put that code in all the pages of my website in order to track each and every pages. So what you need to do is you just have to copy this particular code, HTML code, and you tell your developer, okay, you give it to your developer to implement in every pages of the website under head section. Okay, so this particular script section will come under head section. So all I need to do is I just have to copy this and paste it in a notepad, and then give it to my developer, okay, to put this under head section of the website. So once that is done, within few hours, 24 hours or so, your Google can start tracking your website. So you can see the tracking details of your website. Okay. We will see one more example. Okay, so once you have uploaded the code, okay, this is how you will see on your analytics account. Once you're logged in, this is how it will be seen. Okay, so this is my example. This is where I can see the details of my website. Okay. Yeah, right now I just implemented, so Google has not pulled any data for now, but this is normally how you will see for your website after say after 24 hours of activation of your code. Okay. So how many people visits your website, okay? And among those visits, how many page views, means how many people viewed another pages of your website, okay? And so the percentage will be here, and bounce rate. Okay, with average session duration, okay, so this is the time spent, okay, uh, like for every page visits, okay, every website visits, how many seconds or how many minutes they are spending. So the more it is always better, okay, less it is not good. So even Google can track all this data for a ranking factor as well. So if people are spending more time on your website, that is very good. Google will know that your website is important, that people are finding good and spending on your website. Okay, and bounce is nothing but it's if people comes to your website and if they goes off, means if they close your website within say less than 10 seconds, then that is called bounce rate. Okay, so if the bounce rate is very high, it is not good. Like if it is more than 60-70%, it is not good, because bounce is negative thing. So you don't want people to bounce from your website, that is to go away from your website within less than 10 seconds. So if the bounce rate is high, then there is something wrong in your homepage, or say your homepage is not that attractive. So you need to change some, how to say, layout or design, or even some marketing strategy, mainly on your homepage or the other landing pages. Okay, so these are the various factors. You can see from which country, from which city uh, those traffic have come, and then which browser they are using. Everything details, you can see it. Okay, so main factors will be this. Other than that, if on this left navigation you can see many different things, okay, which will help you analyze better. So these are different, how to say, different factors you can see, and in fact you can do many, how to say, many activities through this analytics. Okay, it will help you understand a website better, and it will help you understand how Google and search engine works much better. Okay, so it is a very great tool. It will help you in a very great way for your website. Okay, that's all for Google Analytics. We will see the remaining topics in our next video. Thank you.